turn up, ain't no turning down. Chasing this fast money, ain't no slowing down.
Simon Vogel. I'm from Budapest, Hungary. I'm 18 years old.
10 points. Coming down. Roll up, let's burn up, turn up, ain't no turning down. Chasing this fast money, ain't no slowing down. Roll up, let's pull up forward, cause break it down, rolling up. My money too long, can't fold it up. Hold up, I'm drunk as fuck, I take more.
How is water polo different in Hungary than in America?
We play in 30 meters in Hungary, but in the US we played in 25 meters. And also, the difference is the water polo is their job for the players who play this sport, and in Hungary the water polo is like the baseball in the US. So this is the famous sport in the country.
What is your favorite water polo memory?
My favorite water polo memory when we won the World Championship with the youth national team in this summer.
How is playing college water polo here in Pacific?
It was a different style of play than I'm used to playing back home, and we didn't finish the season how we wanted, but we are a young team, we're learning, and we can't wait for the next season.
That's paparazzi, that's TMZ. My Mercedes Benz, that's AMG.